Ready? Yeah.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God them with me glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.
No, bring it light over here some more, boy.
And that me I say the
first. Say ready first. Them have to say ready first. When them say they're ready, they're ready.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up on the top.
So how are we going right now? What's going on? What do?
Right,
What the bet?
Why not go
What
first?
the bet? What the bet? We don't find the bet yet.
We don't find the bet.
So what do do without no bet? You know make no sense?
Alright, the loser we are using Instagram. The loser post the winner. And say my strongest. Alright. The strongest man by Instagram. That's how secret and tag him.
Strongest man by Instagram.
And tag him. Petty winning. So who
ready?
Do the most we can see. So we are vlog and we live right now. So on your mark.
Yeah.
Make a move. I don't want you to jump on me.
So you only now go all around and
Yeah, cause anything
want to
can
go
happen.
there?
Yeah, anything can happen.
Alright. So
My mind too strong and it dropped up. I dropped it on my chest. It's easy.
So, alright, mark, set, go. When you're ready, you know, ready. 1. 1, yeah, you're good. We're good. You're good.
Oh, watch out. 1.
Yeah, 1. Good one, shake. 2.
Wait there. I'm gonna tell you how I'm going now. Tell you how I'm going.
What child let you get in here?
Tell you how I'm going.
No, moving already, dog. Moving.
The physics are.
Moving.
The physics
Moving,
are.
dog. Moving. Me not have to go. Moving.
The width too small and the weight's too big, so it's half.
Alright.
You see me?
Moving.
No, you have to show them what you mean.
Alright, go on. You do 1. You do 1, so if we do 3, you win.
If you do 2.
People the weight's half, him rig it. It's rigged. It rigged.
Me not think we can do 5 no more. Me swear down.
I tell you if you have pocket rig.
Alright, ready?
So I'll go on now.
Me I try to 5.
Alright. 1. 2. 3. 4.
Somebody ever gonna come tip me out, you know?
5. Watch out your teeth, my youth.
Me I do it harder.
No. Your hand them not equal, brother.
Somebody go.
Help him. Oh, watch that. 7.
Hold on, let me see if we can put it. You're not shake? Nobody a shake?
No, you're good, man. You're good, man.
Yo, me swear that.
You know, all 90.
No, watch out,
Who's still with?
no, man, watch out.
Watch out. You can't move.
Best 2 out of 3. You have to take off that one. Yeah.
No, go put more.
Eh?
Go put more.
Seriously, I mean.
Go put more.
Nah, man, watch out. Don't take off them one. Them one make the thing unequal.
He can't make it. I see him size all of them.
No. This a 15 and this one you saw 27. You're too like.
Alright, so take off them.
Yeah, take off them one.
Alright, take off that one there too.
Round 2. Cause the thing gonna slip. So I think them slip best 1 out of 2. No, best 2 out of 3.
Yo, man.
Ah man, you have to start. This a round 1.
Me not take boost, me not take show off, me not take
Famous, then I go.
me sugar.
Man, this easy dog. We're gonna do more than we just do.
Alright. That was a warm up run. For warm up my bone man thing, you see.
Me know me I go win, you know. So you have to go give me a shout out.
So what?
Where's the best two that cheap?
Best two, that one how much? 100. So that one by itself for 100. That one by
What's wrong with your shoulder?
That one by
It's
itself
burning.
So 200.
Moving already, guys. No. We don't know already. Moving.
So ready? Yeah.
demon. I sneeze.
What happened?
Ready?
Try again.
Ready? Oh God! You have to stop that. Dog, I really fucking. Oh shit, my heart. Wait. That.
It's sweet him.
Ready? Oh shit. Ready now?
Yeah, go on.
Alright, 15.
Yeah.
Alright.
1, 2, 3. Yeah man, you have it now. 4, 5. Yeah man, you might go 15.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, 14. Yeah, 14. 14. If you had a 15, you have to do 25. Oh! Shit. Ah! You good? Yeah, I'm good. So you do 15. Boy. Yes. Alright, so we have to go top that and do 25.
See that? And a laughing thing, people.
You have to check it here for shit. And a laughing thing. What up is that? What's that? What up play people? So no. Yo, go on, Daniel, let's see how we start off.
You mad salty right now.
I don't know, Daniel. No, but Daniel, they don't get to see what go on.
Joke thing. Anybody want to
Who
test?
first run off before go?
No, the tour run out the same time.
Who first right now?
The tour way.
You guys came out one off at the same time.
See wicked?
No, the first time you ran first.
So you want to run again?
No, man. Go for me.
Anybody want?
It's crazy.
It's crazy.
Yo, go on.
Winner, what? That's what winner looks like.
Yeah, I'm saying. You want to run again?
People, that's what winner.
I swear to God, I start off. I'm feel like if I push myself around, you go for me. Tomorrow. Anytime ready. No, because I kill out myself for when I go and I set up thing. I'm here, yeah. You know me faster than you. If you run now, me I go win. I told me no half for me that.
I see you now, later, tomorrow, whenever, next week. Anytime.
Ready? See the people. Of course, my youth.
So a race just run like a while. Trabass make pine run left him. Them a run on asphalt in a tight pants and socks. You did up there. Was it a fair race?
Yes, it was a fair race.
So Trabass lose fair?
Yeah.
Alright. There you have it, people. There we go. So vlog world, right now this dark, me have to bright it up a little bit and see if you can see me. I really appreciate that. You know what I mean? Right now we're there with Alfred! And it's like 12 o'clock right now and we are about to go up on a Wendy's run. We are about to go up on a Wendy's run right now. Yo, Alfred just bring some red velvet cake, but remember I go on the last time. Same I did. You walk with it?
Of course.
You walk with it. Yo, the man said yo him not cause Trabass down the yard, you know.
Hey,
So Trabass frost, and when Trabass frost, him that consume the next cake, man. So him that a red velvet cheesecake candy buy yesterday. Trabass mash it up, but me make cheesecake last night. Yeah man, anything in red velvet over there was like get mash up. Mash up. But right now we're there. We're about to make a late night Wendy's run. Put on my seatbelt, you know what I mean? Safety first. Don't know me G's them. Yeah man. What is?
Charger.
Be a charger. Yeah, but right now we're so far because we're about to make a quick Wendy's run and forward back.
You don't know.
You got a sheet.
Here, let me get a number 6.
What's your drink?
Let me get a tropical berry. Let me get a spicy chicken sandwich built like a burger.
And you said tropical berry?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Two of that. Let me get a water though.
Let me get 2 more number 6.
No, one more.
Oh, actually 1 more number 6.
The same way?
And a water.
And a water.
Bottle water.
Bottle water if you
The
have.
same way?
Yeah.
Yeah, same way.
Anything else?
That's it.
Then put the bottle water.
Yeah, I think they got the bottled water. You got the bottled water, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Alright, that's it.
Thank you.
Nice number 6, you know. Well, nice and spicy, you know. Yo, right now, I need to drop asleep. Me there in the line and wait. Yo, I don't even feel like me hungry now. You still hungry now? A long time we there wait though.
My red velvet cake me come.
Yeah, the man just I think my red velvet cake, but a long time we there wait. I think of full time now, so let's see what I go on.
Bottled water.
So I copyright the image.
Can I get it on Sriracha? 2 of them.
First thing you always have to taste the result.
You see it?
And then you boogie out the tongue first. Well, the fries are spicy. We always fry them hot. Big up Wendy's. One fresh?
Oh God, if the chicken.
Yo, boy, now my tongue is a wild dog.
Chicken finished. Oh God.
No, my Jesus, so far. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
What's up?
You sleeping?
Oh.
You sure? What you up here do?
Chilling. I was resting my eyes.
You look well rested. Good night.
You going to bed?
No.
Closing the vlog?
No.
Why you tell me good night?
So vlog world, right now I'm there. 12:46 right now. And me have to wake up early tomorrow. Today I kinda do like a run around, which was boring, so I never really vlog nothing. Pine come link with, so we just start vlog this, so me I go edit the vlog, yeah, I'm gonna get it. Subscribe, remember to subscribe to the page, subscribe to the LTS page, like and leave a comment. Alright, mad move.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.